In today's video, we demonstrate how a full PCB assembly can be completed in minutes using our simple, affordable, made in India SMT machines. At Invariance Automation, we believe electronics manufacturing in India should be simple, fast, and affordable. We start with our Indigenous semi-automatic stencil printer. With a single button press, the solder paste is dispensed accurately and consistently. No skill barrier, no manual errors. The camera view confirms clean, uniform deposition on every pad. Next, component placement. For this demo, we used our in-house strip feeders instead of Yamaha auto feeders. Even then, the placement is fast, precise, and reliable. After placement, the board goes straight into Reflow. Within minutes, the entire PCB is assembled end-to-end. This complete setup is designed for small and medium manufacturers who want to start PCB assembly with minimal investment, without depending on imported machines. Invariance Automation builds indigenous surface mount assembly machines right here in India. If you want to begin or scale up electronics manufacturing, we're ready to partner with you.